Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Plug the Dualsense Edge into the Xbox with a USB-C cable for wired use. Turn on the Xbox, then press the controller PlayStation button so the console registers inputs. The console will recognize the Edge as a standard controller with face buttons and sticks. Wired connection provides reliable input with minimal latency for competitive play. Note that adaptive triggers and advanced haptics are not supported by Xbox, so those features remain inactive while playing on the console. Switch to onboard profiles with the Edge profile buttons for custom layouts. Use the center control dial and profile keys to select one of the stored configurations. Program remappable back buttons and stick sensitivity using the controller's internal settings before or during play. You can save up to 3 profiles directly to the controller and toggle them during gameplay. This lets you carry custom button maps and aim curves between Xbox sessions without needing a companion app. Update Edge firmware on Windows using Sony's official updater for best compatibility. Connect the controller to a Windows PC with USB-C before you attach it to Xbox. Install the DualSense Edge Control Center on the PC to create precise profiles, tune dead zones, and set trigger travel. Export those profiles to the controller's internal memory so Xbox will use the saved settings via USB. Regularly check for firmware updates to maintain stable input and improved cross-platform compatibility over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.